Hello, everyone. It is November 20th, Saturday morning. Welcome to the Perfect Storm Trading Channel. In today's video, I'm going to go in a different direction. I'm going to bring up some names from the past. I'm sure you've heard of a couple of Greek gentlemen named Plato and Pythagoras. These guys are connected to the law of vibration in a big way. This guy, Plato, had a series of writings that are known as Plato's allegories. Looking at these allegories, what these are texts about geometric proportion and music. And he shows these geometric proportions and ratios in the text, and he shows how the harmonics come up in music. And there's connections between these ratios as you go through the different allegories. So when you see these ratios reappearing, he's basically telling you the, the hidden structure of harmonic connection in the universe. So what I've done here is I've taken one of these ratio proportions and I'm going to use it to mark time on the soybean chart here. So what I did, I took the swing from the high where I have the red trend line, and that's a 14-day swing down. And then what I did, I'm able to derive three numbers just from the number 14. So I get three more numbers. I get the number 19, 21, and 29. Well, the first number gives me the midpoint of a strong run down. It's the C wave in an ABC down move here, and that hits me on this bar, which is the midpoint of the swing. And generally, with a lot of timing triggers, this holds true. If you don't get a reversal, you're going to find the midpoint, so you know that you're going to get continuation and you know where it's going to go if you don't get the reversal. The next projection gets me to this low at this first green arrow, and that gets me the bottom of a 2-week move up. And then the last number gives me this low here, and that again gives me another nice 2-week move up, even in a choppy, relatively sideways market. You're able to identify these points. So now that I've got that one example, let me give you another example. I'll work an example off of this low. We'll take this low to this high. So let me mark that up here. Now I've changed this. I've marked out for this next example. I took this low to this high where the red trend line is, and that is a 7-day move up. So with the Plato projection, it gives me three more points. It gives me the 9, 10, and 14, and that puts me at this low. The next projection takes me to this high, and then the last projection takes me to this low. So that gives me a nice kind of consecutive swing pattern that looks like this. That doesn't happen all the time, but sometimes it does. So this particular little pattern here gives you three consecutive swings after your first projection. So that's it, a little bit of ancient text, universal knowledge, and how you can take that information and apply it into the market. So that's it for today. We will be back with another video on Sunday. We'll talk to you guys then.